Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write an essay on If I Were a Butterfly. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, if I were a butterfly, I would flutter through the sky with grace. Second line is, my wings painted in bright colors would carry me from flower to flower. Third line is, I would sip nectar from beautiful flowers. Fourth line is, I would enjoy the warmth of the sun on my delicate wings. Fifth line is, I would dance on the gentle breeze. Sixth line is, I would bring smiles to those who see me. Seventh line is, I would cherish the simple pleasure of life. Next line is, the world would become my playground. Ninth line is, I would have a life of boundless freedom and enchanting beauty. Last line, that is line number 10 is, being a butterfly would be magical.